Look out, it's collapsing! We have to get higher up! Oh God, run!
Somewhere beneath this calm planet, something ancient is breathing. This is not just a volcano, it's a supervolcano.
Yellowstone, one of the most peaceful places on Earth.
If it erupts, the Earth could stop breathing.
A glimpse of what could happen if Yellowstone wakes.
Most have no idea what sleeps below.
It always begins quietly, a whisper from deep below.
Yellowstone sits on one of the largest magma chambers ever discovered.
A pool of molten rock the size of a continent, waiting.
It's over 50 kilometers wide. 你就只有 treat a ticking time bomb.
$640,000 years ago, it changed the world. In 2023, seismologists detected unusual patterns beneath Yellowstone. The ground is moving.
The ground is rising. Pressure is building.
We need more hands on this gurney. Move it! Right here, we have room for 2 more. Get that patient inside now. Oh my God, it's lava! Run, everybody run! Get to the exits! Secure the harness around her now!
Please, save my grandson too!
Hit that corner, the roof is coming down. Move, move! We need more pressure on the 5th floor. Watch out, incoming debris.
We've got movement near the south tower. Oxtrack prepared for deployment.
Pressure level on tight. Really quick here. Nice.
Get out of the way!
Help me, please.
We have to keep moving. Look out, it's collapsing! We have to get higher up! Oh God, run! It's coming! Run!
Help me, please help me. Get out of the way. Get down, get down. Help us, please help us. Where is Mariam?
Take my hand, we have to get out of here!
Look out. I got you! Pulling clear!
Watch the edge, get this harness on her now.
Please, just get me down.
Secure the harness to the boy!
Please save my son!
Take him, quickly!